Greetings everyone. Today is Friday, June 20th, 2014. In this video, I would like to talk about the week out of Daniel 9:27 and how it fits into my timeline. This week is a 7-year period, also known as Jacob's Trouble. From what I read in the Bible, this week should end on or before the 1,000-year millennium starts. You can read about the 1,000-year millennium in Revelation chapter 20, verses 1 through 7. If this 7-year period doesn't start very soon, then the signs and the day counts that I have pointing to what I believe is the end of the 7-year period are going to go out of alignment, and they will be pointing to somewhere within the 7-year period. Now on my timeline, I believe this sign is the sign of the Son of Man. Matthew 24:30 says, "And then shall appear the sign of the Son of Man in heaven." Jesus' sign is the cross, and this cross is connected directly to Revelation chapter 12 verses 1 and 2, the great sign. It is also at the end of 7 years worth of signs, and it is also connected through Pentecost 1,000 years to the sign where I believe Satan is released from the pit. So those are just a few reasons why I believe this is the sign of the Son of Man, which is why I believe Daniel 9:27's 1 week should end on this sign or before it. So if this is the sign of the Son of Man, we should still be able to fit a 7-year period in before it happens. But on the Hebrew calendar, there are different ways to count the years. You can count from one feast to another feast, such as Pentecost to Pentecost, but there is another way that we've recently just been shown on how you can count the week or the week of years. That is this count, which counts as a week, it counts as years, but it also counts as days. If we use this count, it still fits, and I believe is the last chance we'll be able to make a 7-year count fit before that cross on February 11th in 2021. So we're going to count backwards 2,520 days. We are going to count back from May 18th through the shortened days. If you don't understand that, watch my shortened days video. Here we are at torahcalendar.com. When we subtract 2,520 days from May 18th, that winds up on this day, which is 24th, 25th of June. We're going to go ahead and add an extra day because there's 2 days on the earth. And I would say that maybe we could go past this day also, but if we're still here on the 29th, that means we need to rethink about how this 7-year period works concerning the cross on May 18th, 2021. If we are still here in July, then that would mean Daniel 9:27's 1 week ends inside the 1,000-year period from Pentecost to Pentecost. Man, that's got me stumped. I don't think the Bible says that it happens that way. I think it has to end before the 1,000 years starts. So if we're still here in July, we will have to figure out what we have wrong. Now I want to point out that there was one change on this timeline. I've had 6 hours on here for some time now. I actually went and did an accurate count. It's just over 7 hours. I have also gone 1,000 years from 2014 to past 3021, and this sign does not happen again. It is also a once and forever sign.